But we were singing a hymn that belongs to on your own, Jockey. Wales defeated England in a fast and open game. We sang Cwmr Honra and Delilah, damn they sounded both the same. We sympathise with an English friend whose team was doomed to fail. So we give him that old bottle that once held bitter Easter.